So you have your Amazon account, but you no longer need it, or you feel like you don't want to use Amazon anymore. The process actually is not that hard. So to make this process really fast, let's first of all sign in directly here into Amazon. I'm gonna focus directly here into Amazon.com, just like that. We have a lot of products based into what you've purchased, and the first thing I wanted to do now is to go into the no return. Now, before we hit delete, you needed to know that this is permanent. So deleting your account means losing every Kindle book, every movie purchase, and all of your Alexa data forever. So with that in mind, the first thing is to check your orders. If you have any open orders or pending returns, you cannot close your account. So wait until they are delivered or refunded. For this, you wanted to go directly from returns and orders, and you can see all the information about your orders into the last 3 months. So if everything is, let's say, clear, you are clear to go. The second step now is to spend your balance. Amazon will not refund your remaining gift card money once the account is gone. Buy a digital code or a physical item before moving forward, and then you can come back directly here into Amazon. Now you can download your history, for example, request my data and download your purchase history and invoices. So the deletion process actually is not that hard. We are into a computer, so to make this process really fast, you can go for the option to scroll at the very bottom, and you'll see a drop down menu. Now Amazon wants to know why you're leaving, so this is optional, but you must pick a reason to proceed. So basically here, to delete your account, it will be appearing here inside your account. So you can scroll all your way down, and here it says manage your data. It says close your Amazon account. So once again, it will be asking you to enter your in this case your passcode, and if you have a two-step verification, you must input the code, the one-time code, send it to your phone or to another Gmail account, and it might be asking you what you wanted to delete that element. So it says that you will not have a longer access to Amazon, Seller, Business Associated, Flex Prime, absolutely none of this information. So you can choose a reason why you're using this account anymore. I have another account, I wanted to generate more. Yes, I wanted to permanently close my account and delete my data. And when you hit into this button that says close my account, you aren't done yet, because Amazon will be sending you a confirmation email. So you have 5 days to click the link into that message, or the request expires. So on the application, you can tap the account icon at the bottom, look for the manage your data, and you'll find the close your Amazon account. The process is exactly the same. Now, what happens next when you click close my account? Basically, you need to wait up to 48 hours for your data to be purged. You will be logged from all of the devices you're signing in, including the Kindles and the Echo Dots, and Amazon is legally required to keep your transactions recorded for tax and fraud purposes, but you will no longer have access to them. That's the reason why I told you guys to download all of that information. So if you just wanted to stop paying from Prime, for example, you should cancel membership instead of deleting. So only use this method if you want your data gone for good. So if you're looking for a more private similar to Amazon, you wanted to check out the video for the press piracy first marketplaces into our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.